Hello, Bridgewell team. This is going to be a video showing you how to create new forms for any of the pages on the site that do not need a connection to a Pardot form handler. So maybe you'll be adding more divisions, but at the moment that consists of only the contractor direct, the Bridgewell Connect, and the sustainable solutions areas of the website. Wood products, utility and construction, and Bridgewell mats all connect at the moment to Pardot form handlers. So if you come to the back end of the website, you can see forms right here. So if you click on that, you can see the list of all of the forms on the website. If the form is going to look like what the existing forms look like with these fields, first name, last name, company, or maybe you're going to be adding or removing a few fields from these. I would suggest starting with one of the existing forms. So going to one of the forms that is like one of those three sections that we were just talking about: direct, connect, or sustainable solutions. So here we've got a connect form, and you can see when I hover over the form, I get a couple of options here, and we're just going to go to the duplicate option here. Let's go ahead and click that. So now you can see it's added a new one here, Bridgewell Connect 1. So this is our new form. This is not going to be in use anywhere on the site at the moment, so we can go ahead and do whatever we want to this. So if we click on Bridgewell Connect 1, that one that we just duplicated, we can see all of the form fields here and their arrangement. If you did need to add more fields, I can make you a video on that. I'm assuming at the moment that we just need to make the form exactly as it is. So what we would need to start by doing is obviously renaming this to whatever it should be, because obviously Bridgewell Connect 1 is probably not what it's going to be. So we just go right here to form settings, and we can give this its new name here. So we've got a new name for it. You don't really need to worry about the description or any of these other fields here, but we can go ahead and hit Save Settings. So now when we're looking at that list of forms, we can see it here in the list. It's organized by title. By default, you can also organize it by the ID number of the form, which I can show you here in a minute what we're going to need to use that for. So then if you were going to make a new page and you then needed to use this, this is what we're going to need to reference. That is ID number 58. So then on any particular page where you wanted to use it, let's go to our services here. Let's say we had a service, you needed to put it on the used mats. We'd come right here to used mats. And then right down here, you can see gravity form ID. This is where we'd put in that number that we'd put in there. So you would just swap this out for number 58. Or yeah, if you needed to put it on a new page, I can make a video on how to make a new service page as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I would start by duplicating one of the existing forms, which I showed you here. You hover over it and you would go to duplicate. Then once it's duplicated, it would add a number 1 to the end of the title, and then you would change the name of it. So, and then we changed it to fake test form here. I'm going to go ahead and delete this so that it doesn't cause any confusion. But yeah, those are the steps for creating a new form and how you would place it on the page. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.